Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a lightsaber on Dress Room Press. Before y'all comment in the comment section and say, this is not a lightsaber, this does not look like a lightsaber, this does not sound like a lightsaber, I don't care. This is Dress Room Press. And yes, you do need VIP. It's pretty simple. Actually, you just need the the sword, my bad. And I'm just going to color the rest, this dark gray. And I'm going to color the sword part blue, or you can color it red or green or whatever color you want. Then I'm just going to add the neon material on it, and as you can see, it now glows like a lightsaber. It is not going to 100% look like one, but it is Dress Room Press. Alright, I saw a video of a balloon guy and he wanted to make a lightsaber, and everybody in the comments were like, this is not a lightsaber, it's a balloon. Alright, it's a balloon for kids. Obviously it's not going to look like a lightsaber, like 100%. But sorry, that is it. I think I might make the handles a little bit brighter. Like that, maybe. Whoops. Wrong one. Maybe something like a little bit brighter, actually. Like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I know it's late, but may the 4th be with you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!